In today's digital age, online security and privacy have become increasingly important. While many VPNs claim to offer the best protection, the reality is often quite different. Some VPNs have built-in servers and pre-configured settings, but others, like Dark Tunnel VPN, allow you to customize your settings for enhanced security. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to create a V2Ray server and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN to ensure the highest level of privacy and protection. Before we start, if you're new our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's get started. Step 1. The first step is to download and install the Dark Tunnel VPN app on your device. To do this, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Dark Tunnel VPN and press Enter. This will display the search results for the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Once you see the Dark Tunnel VPN app in the search results, click on it to open the app's details page. On this page, you'll see an Install button. Tap on this button to begin the download and installation process. Wait patiently while the app downloads and installs on your device. Step 2. Now that you have the Dark Tunnel VPN app installed, it's time to create a V2Ray server. Open your web browser and navigate to the Green SSH website. At the top of the Green SSH website, you'll see a hamburger icon. Tap on this icon to expand the menu options. In the list of menu items, look for and click on the V2Ray and X-Ray option. Step 3. After clicking on the V2Ray and X-Ray option, you'll be presented with a sub-menu that displays various V2Ray configuration options, such as V2Ray vMesh, V2Ray vLess, and V2Ray WebSocket. For this tutorial, we'll be using the V2Ray WebSocket option, as it provides a secure and stable connection. Select the V2Ray WebSocket option to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Once you've selected the V2Ray WebSocket option, you'll need to choose a server location that suits your needs. After making your selection, proceed to the next steps. In the next step, you'll be asked to enter a username and complete a reCAPTCHA verification to create the server. Music. Once the server is successfully created, you'll be presented with the TLS config or non-TLS config information. For this tutorial, we'll be using the TLS config. Step 5. Now return to the Dark Tunnel VPN app on your device. In the top right corner of the app, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on these 3 dots to reveal a menu. From the menu that appears, select the Tunnel Type option to continue. Step 6. In the Tunnel Type menu, you'll see a list of different tunnel types. Scroll down and select the V2Ray option to continue. Step 7. There are 2 ways to import the V2Ray server details into the Dark Tunnel VPN app. 1. Click on the Editor option and paste the server details directly. 2. Tap the 3 dots again and select the Import button. This will open a new menu where you can click on the Clipboard option to import the server details. Step 8. If you want to set a custom SNI, server name indication, for your V2Ray server, you can do so in the relative box provided in the app. Step 9. Connect to the V2Ray server. Once you've entered all the necessary information, you can click the Connect button to start the VPN connection using the V2Ray server. Step 10. If you want to save or export the V2Ray server details, you can do so by going back to the 3-dot menu and selecting the Export option. You can choose to export the server as a clipboard or as a file, depending on your preference. Conclusion: that's it. You've now successfully created a V2Ray server and set it up on the Dark Tunnel VPN app for enhanced security and privacy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on internet security and privacy.